kasi baka yung funding hindi na gagastos sa tamang paraan. Oh, it's because as well as there are many well-intentioned researchers, there are many researchers also who are just in the field for what? Diba? So, yun yung masasabi ko lang. Okay? Okay lang ba yan? I-review natin yung sinasubmit ninyo. Okay? Ngayon, I'd like also to address yung ito, mga common people natin. Okay, di ba? So, we are well aware na tayo kasi hindi namin hawak ang lahat. Okay? So, being yung mga tao na naglabas ng bill, hindi naman namin hawak yung taga-barangay or yung taga-baryo, ano? Na yung, for example, tinatawag natin na lahat ng ginagawa nila na-aay talaga namin. So that's why as common people, I actually applaud you for being able to raise your concern. That's why you have to raise your concern. It's because hindi lahat ng na talaga namin. Okay? Nasa hawak namin. Okay? So, ang ko lang sa mga common people natin na nandito, yun, you can raise your voices kung ano yung mga nakikita ninyong irregularities. Okay? Sa government.
Thank you, friends!
So, ngayon naman, as a closing remark, we function as a whole and we cannot move on without a certain people being outcast. Okay? So, ang lang din namin as a government, tayong lahat kasi, ang masasuggest ko lang, hindi lang dapat tayo after kung anong matutulong ng gobyerno sa inyo. So, you can also think kung ano yung matutulong niyo sa gobyerno. So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat for coming.